We are the Engineers Brewery Consultancy, and our project objective was to work with Jailbreak Brewing Company and design a system to help prevent the can tip overs for their canning line. The two systems that we worked on are the depalletizer and the first conveyor belt transition section.
The system requirements for both of these sections were determined through a combination of analyses, Jailbreak Brewery's requirements, and industry standards. The functional block diagrams can be used to determine where the cans tend to tip over. The inputs were determined from the system boundary diagrams. The overall goal for the systems were to keep the cans upright as they pass through the depalletizer and the first conveyor belt transition sections.
Our DPAL CTPS prototype iteration 1 can be seen in figure 5. This is where we determined our proof of concept. It is figure 6 where we were able to test this proof of concept and determine that it was successful, therefore we proceeded. With figure 7, our prototype iteration 2, this is where the height and length were determined, as well as the material was selected to be Orbis plastic divider sheets. This moves on to our final design, which can be seen in figure 10. This is where our mounting system was determined, as well as the outlet width based upon the mounting system. Then figure 11 shows our testing. We use SOLIDWORKS FEA max displacement to determine the maximum displacement our CTPS would incur, as well as modified Goodman criteria to determine that our CTPS had infinite life.
Figure 8 shows FCBT prototype iteration 1, in which the width was decreased substantially from their existing dead plate. Figure 9 shows prototype iteration 2, in which the mounting system was created and the material was selected to be high-density polyethylene. Figure 12 shows the final design for our FCBT, in which the plate thickness was increased and a channel was introduced for the cans to slide down. Figure 13 shows the testing that we did, in which we used SOLIDWORKS FEA for distributed load and vibrational analysis.
We hope to continue working with Jailbreak Brewing Company in manufacturing the can tip prevention systems while installing them and seeing how effective they are at limiting the number of can tip overs.